Today, the court has allowed leave for judicial review. What this means is that the applicants can now proceed to have the merits of their judicial review heard. Along with this, the court has also granted a stay to prevent the 949 names from being gazetted. In coming to this decision, essentially, as members of the press would have known, the objection raised by the Attorney General was that the appeals process in the 2002 election regulation has to be exhausted. The court, there is an exception to this, provided we can show exceptional circumstances. The court found exceptional circumstances within the 2002 regulation, which is that the decision of the appeals officer, who is known as the adjudicating officer in the Election Commission, there's a provision that says that his decision cannot be reviewed. What this is called is an ouster clause. In the court's mind, this amounts to an exceptional circumstance, therefore this judicial review, leave for application for judicial review was allowed. So the case management is fixed for the 16th next week, where hopefully a hearing date will be fixed and case management directions will be provided. That is all.
What's the circumstances for the exceptional clause?
Okay, so in an application for judicial review, there is a principle that you have to exhaust an appeals process of the body that you are challenging. There is an appeals process in the 2002 regulation where you have to appeal to a person called the adjudicating officer. However, any decision on appeal, the 2002 regulation stipulates, cannot be reviewed by any courts. So that is called an ouster clause. So it ousts the jurisdiction of the court, right? In the court's mind, that amounts to an exceptional circumstances. Therefore, the appeals process, implicitly, it means that it need not be exhausted. But on record, the appeals process has been exhausted. Yesterday was the last day, and yeah, all appeals were dismissed. Yeah, so
Appeals all dismissed?
Appeals were dismissed.
By the AG?
No, by the adjudicating officer.
Adjudicating also meaning the EC
Yes, meaning the EC. The determination of the appeal by the adjudicating officer shall, unless under these regulations, be final, muktamad, and shall not be challenged or questioned or reversed or altered or quashed by any court on any ground. So that amounted to exceptional circumstances in the court's view.